Okay, let's dive into AbLang 2, a new AI that's changing how we design better medicines.
So, what if we could actually teach a machine the complex language written in our antibodies? That's the whole idea behind a powerful new tool called AbLang 2. But first, why is designing these living medicines so incredibly difficult to begin with?
Well, a major problem is that the data we use to design them often has missing pieces. For example, in a key database, a huge chunk of sequences are missing their first few amino acids. The old way relied on genetic blueprints, which created a bias towards, expected sequences. To get around this bias and the data gaps, a specialized tool was needed. Enter AbLang 2. It's a language model built just for antibodies, learning from real-world examples to predict mutations. So how does it actually learn this complex biological language? Let's take a look under the hood. It was trained on over 35 million sequences to basically learn the rules of antibody grammar. At its core, it's basically playing a biological fill-in-the-blanks game. It's called masked language modeling. You give it a sequence with an unknown part, right here, marked with an asterisk. And then the model predicts the most likely word, or amino acid, to complete that sentence. Okay, cool tech, but what does it actually do in the real world for researchers? It helps optimize antibodies, screen libraries virtually, and even spot potential problems way ahead of time. But what really makes this a potential game changer is its speed and its power. I mean, it is incredibly fast. We're talking sub-second speeds for a whole batch of sequences. That's because it's a smaller, nimbler model built for CPUs, not huge, power-hungry GPUs. But it is a specialist, and it's really important to understand what it can't do. For instance, it won't predict the 3D structure or how well it binds. You need other tools for that. So, what's the bottom line here? What should we really take away from all this? AbLang 2 makes antibody design faster and smarter by doing one thing really well: predicting the best mutations. Which leaves us with a pretty big question. Is AI about to become the main architect of our future medicines?